Set B Part A. Is the result the owner of a local manufacturing company is considering taking out a 60,000 ringgit loan to expand his business. He borrows 25,000 ringgit from Bank A and the balance from Bank B. Considering the total amount of repayments after CCO for both bank is 78062.93 ringgit. Find the value of K. For Bank A, 35,000 ringgit is P. K is K% because we don't know the value of K yet. M is 4 because compound quarterly. T is 6 years based on the questions. I is K over 4. N is 4 times 6 equals to 24. For Bank B, 25,000 ringgit is P. How we got 25,000? Because 60,000 minus 25,000. K is 5%. M is 2 because compound sum annually. D is 6 years based on the questions. I is 5% over 2. We got 0.025. N is 2 times 6 equals to 12. So first thing first, we need to find S for Bank B. So we use formula S equals P1 plus IN. So substitute into the formula. P is 25,000, 1 plus I is 0.025 and N is 12. So calculate it, we got 3362.22 ringgit. Next, to find the balance of repayments after 6 years, substitute the total amount repayments and total Bank B. So the total balance is 78062.93 minus 3362.22. Calculate it, we got 44,440.71. Lastly, we need to find value of K. So we use Bank A to find the value of K. We use the same formula S equals P1 plus IN. So substitute it. S is 44,440.71 equals to P 35,000, 1 plus I, which is K over 4 and N is 24. Calculate it, we got K equals to 0.04. We need to find the value of K in percent. So 0.04 times 100, we got 4%. That's all.
So for question B, if Mr. Rizal does not wish to split his loan, which bank would you recommend to him? Justify your choice. So in order to solve this question, we have to find the bank that provides the lower interest. So for Bank A, in question A just now, we just solved that K equals to 4%, the interest rate for Bank A. So we can find the total amount for Bank A and the total amount for Bank B also. So the formula that we will use is S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I followed by N. So S equals to 60,000, which is P, in bracket 1 plus 0.01, which is I, followed by N, which is 24. So we will get the total amount for Bank A S equals to 76,184 ringgit and 80 cents. So for Bank B, we will use the same formula to find the total amount that he needs to pay for Bank B. So S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I followed by N. So S equals to 60,000, which is P, in bracket 1 plus 0.025, which is I, followed by 12, which is N. So we get the total amount S equals to 80,693 ringgit and 33 cents. So after solving two banks, we can see that Bank A has the lower amount that he needs to pay than Bank B. So which bank would you recommend to him? So the answer would be Bank A, because it provides lower interest than Bank B. So for question C, suppose Mr. Rizal chooses the bank you recommend in B and the bank changes the interest rate to 5.6% compounded monthly. Calculate the amount Mr. Rizal will owe at the end of the 6 years. So for this question, Mr. Rizal chooses the bank that we recommended, which is Bank A, and the bank changes the interest rate to 5.6%. So 5.6% is K, compounded monthly, which is M equals to 12. Calculate the amount Mr. Rizal will owe at the end of 6 years. So T equals to 6 years. So I equals to K over M equals to 0.056 over 12. And N equals to M multiplied by T. We get 12 times 6 equals 72. So we will use the same formula, which is S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I followed by N. So S equals to 60,000, which is P, in bracket 1 plus 0.056 over 12, which is I, followed by 72, which is N. So we will get the total amount, which is S equals to 83,894 ringgit and 75 cents.
For part B, question 1 is, Josephine had a wife's dream for a perfect wedding. However, the reality of having a lavish wedding is daunting considering the world economy nowadays. Therefore, Josephine starts saving money monthly in her wedding fund in February 2020. She estimates that she will need Rm 15,000 for her wedding. She anticipates earning an interest rate of 3% compounded every 2 months on her savings. A. Calculate the amount of interest earned in Josephine decide to get married in May 2020. For this question, we use formula S equal R in bracket 1 plus I power N minus 1 divide I. So as we already know is 15,000. For I, we use a 0.03 divide 6 because it compounds every 2 months, and we got 14. For second step is we put the amount that we already know into the formula. It's turned out like 50,000 equal R in bracket 1 plus I 0.03 divide 6 power 14 minus 1 divide I, which is 0.03 divide 6. And we got 15,000 equal R in bracket 14.4642269. And the last answer is we got R is RM 3456.80. For B, after her wedding in June 2022, she noticed that her wedding fund still had a balance of RMX. If Josephine could withdraw RM 100, 2035 every month until the end of December 2022, find the value of X, assuming the bank offer 4% compounded monthly. For this question, we use a formula A equal R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus I power negative n divided I. So for R, we already know from the question is R is 1, 2, 3, 5, and we got 7. For the second step is we put the amount into the formula and we will get A equal 1, 2, 3, 5 in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.04 divide 12 power negative 7 divide 0.04 per 12. And the answer is we got reply RM 8530.88.
Hello guys, my name is Adel Luqman and I will show you how to solve question 2 part B, set B. First thing first, we must know what formula that we need to use. In question 2A, we use formula A equals to R, open bracket, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, power negative n over I and close bracket. A, we use 405,000 equals to 9,823. Open bracket, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus 0.09 over 12 and close the bracket, power by negative n over 0.09 over 12 and close the bracket. After that, we solve the 405,000 over 9,823 times 0.09 over 12 equal to 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.0 over 12 close the bracket and power up by negative n. So after equals on that, we get 0.30922325516 equals to 1 negative bracket 1 plus 0.09 over 12 power up by negative n. We swap, we bring 1 plus 0.09 over 12 to in front and bring the 0.30922325516 to the back. After that, we complete the 1 plus 0.09 over 12 and we get 1.0075 power up negative n equals to 0.690776784. After that, we just use calculator for the answer and we will get negative 49.5. After that, we divide by 12 because it used monthly. And we will get 4.13 years. For question B, we use formula S equal R bracket, open bracket, 1 plus I, close the bracket, power of n minus 1 equals over I and close the bracket. We want to solve the S. So S equals to 9,823. Open the bracket and open the another bracket for 1 plus 0.09 over 12, close the bracket and power up by 9 minus 1 over 0.09 over 12 and close the bracket. After the calculation, we will get S equal to 9,823. Open the bracket, 9.274778557 and close the bracket. Use calculator and we will get S equal to RM 91,106.15.